Today we're going to use the wayback machine for today's aircraft, which is the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets LL Boeing 707-358B, wearing LL's two-tone blue livery that their aircraft wore with minor variations from 1971 to 1999. Gemini Jets produced this model in 2002. This aircraft was powered by 4 Pratt Whitney JT3D low-bypass turbofan engines, with each engine able to generate up to 19,000 pounds force or 85 kilonewtons. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 189 passengers, depending on class arrangement and layout. This aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 525 knots or 972 kilometers an hour, with a range around 5,000 nautical miles or about 9,300 kilometers, with a standard payload. Originally, the 707 was delivered to LL on May 20th of 1959, with the registration of 4X-ATS, a registration it would carry its entire paying career. As seen in these photos, the livery had an Israeli flag on the top of the tail and a two-tone blue cheatline along the windows. This was varied somewhat later in its career with LL, removing the Israeli flag and the LL titles for security purposes in the 1980s. After 3 decades of service with LL, a company named Omega in Ireland purchased this aircraft, re-registered it as November 898WA, and for lack of a better way to describe it, they put the aircraft out to pasture in Shannon, Ireland, and used the aircraft as a parts haul. Eventually, the aircraft would make it to the Mojave Desert in California for scrapping sometime around 1999. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit those like buttons and tell your friends and family about us. We hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we've liked making it. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. Thank you, and good day.